Ever wondered why okra water is making such a splash in the health and wellness community? Well, it's no surprise when you delve into the numerous benefits this humble vegetable has to offer. Okra, also known as lady's finger, is a powerhouse of nutrients. But when transformed into okra water, those benefits are amplified, making it a must-have for health enthusiasts and anyone looking to boost their wellness journey. So, what's the secret? Okra is packed with vitamins A and C, both known for their immune-boosting properties. Add to that a generous helping of fiber, and you've got a recipe for improving digestion, aiding weight loss, and even helping control diabetes. But that's just the beginning. Okra water is also a treasure trove of antioxidants. These microscopic heroes wage war against free radicals, the culprits behind aging and some chronic diseases. Imagine all that power in a simple glass of water, and it doesn't stop there. The high levels of folate in okra water make it a great addition to the diet of expectant mothers. Folate is instrumental in the development of the fetus and can help prevent birth defects. If you're enjoying this video and finding the information useful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We regularly share health and wellness tips, just like this one about the remarkable benefits of okra water. You wouldn't want to miss our upcoming videos, would you? So don't hesitate. Click that subscribe button and join our community of health enthusiasts. Now let's get back to delving deeper into the astonishing benefits of okra water. Okra water is also known for its role in maintaining healthy skin. Thanks to its vitamin C content, it aids in skin repair and growth, keeping your skin glowing and youthful. For those with a knack for fitness, okra water is a friend indeed. The potassium content helps in balancing electrolytes, providing the body with the energy it needs to keep going. Now, how can you incorporate okra water into your routine? Well, it's as easy as slicing some okra and soaking it in water overnight. The next morning, strain the water and voila, you have your own homemade health booster. To sum it all up, okra water is a nutrient-dense, easy-to-make addition to any diet. It's a powerhouse of vitamins, antioxidants and fiber that helps boost immunity, improve digestion, aid weight loss, control diabetes, promote healthy skin, and provide energy. Truly, it's more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle choice that promises a path to improved health and wellness. So next time you're looking for a simple way to up your health game, remember the humble okra and the potent power of its water. Your body will thank you. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. We're constantly researching and sharing new ways to improve your health and lifestyle, and we'd love to have you along for the journey. And for more detailed information, make sure to visit our blog at insurefood.com. Your journey to wellness starts here. Let's keep learning, growing, and becoming healthier together. See you in the next video.